Spark your creativity with Luca by Justin Palacios. How many of you have heard of Luca? Probably very few. The Lewis Hopkins Underwood Center for the Arts is a non-profit organization that presents visual and performing arts for adults and children. Their mission is to be a catalyst for the arts. Luca houses many programs such as the First Friday Art Show, which is a self-guided art exhibit that presents itself every first Friday of the month, and the Jones Clay Studio, which is open to the public and provides classes in claymaking. Luca wants to develop a strategic communications plan to grow audience size, financial contributions, and community support. Their target public is local community members of Lubbock. Let's do some brainstorming. Our strength is reasonable prices for our programs. A weakness is a small advertising budget. Our opportunity is a diverse demographic, and a threat is weakening family finances in the Lubbock area. This can have an effect on our donations. The goal is to increase audience size. Now let's talk objectives. The first objective to accomplish this goal is to have an effect on awareness of the local community, specifically to increase their knowledge of the many programs that Luca provides. 60% of Lubbock's local community should know this by August 1st of this year. The second objective is to have an effect on acceptance, specifically to generate interest in the programs. 70% of Lubbock's local community should seek program details measured from social media platforms. The last objective is to have an effect on action, specifically to have Lubbock's local community attend Luca's programs. 45% of Lubbock's local community should attend a program before October 2nd of this year. Now let's see how we can get this done. For our proactive strategy, we would be using audience information exchange and special events to promote Luca. All communication would start with Executive Director Gene Caslin. Art is emotional, and that's how we're going to appeal to our audience. All of our content is going to be valuable and persuasive. How do we accomplish this, you ask? Easy. Communication tactics. We need to get all the information out to the public. So the first thing we want to do is send out press releases and e-newsletters with program information and product exhibits. This would help us develop a fact sheet highlighting program details. Art conventions and workshops free to the public will be all year round. Artistic events would also be hosted, such as concerts from the Lubbock Ballet, Broadway plays, and the Flatland Film Festival. This will all help with community engagement and getting people excited about art. Combining all the objectives from this proactive strategy will help grow the audience of Luca and get the Lubbock community excited about art again.